Right, good morning class. So today we're looking at Bodmas. For homework you had book C, worksheet 2, odd numbers. Right, let's do that quickly before the electricity shuts down. Pleasure, Michael. Pleasure. Right, so we are, whoops. Right, so at this point, I pressed the wrong button and I ended up at the wrong place. Right, here we go. So what do we have to do first? What's the first thing we need to do? Brackets. Okay, so also I'm going to change that to improper fraction. So that's going to give you 7 over 6 equals, what's my LCM inside that bracket? 6. That's over 6, so I'll multiply this by 3. This is multiplied by 2. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. What is 3 plus 2? 5 over 6. So 7 minus 5 is 2 over 6. 2 going to 2 once, 2 going to 6 twice. 1 over 3. You all okay with that? Right, let's do the next one. The next one is number 3. So what do we do first? The brackets. But what I'll be doing first is I will always change into improper fractions. Okay. So let's go and change that. Change that as well. So that's going to give you 12, 13, 14, 15 over 4 minus 12, 17 over 6 plus 3 over 8. You all agree with that? Alright. Now what do we do? The brackets. What's your LCM inside the bracket? 24. When do I use an LCM? When you add and subtracting, minusing and plusing. No? So I multiply that by 3. You multiply this by 3 times 8. This is by 4. Not so? So what do we have? 4 times 7 is 56. Is that correct? No? 68. Okay, my mistake. Plus 3 times 3 is 9. So I got 15 over 4 minus. What's 68 plus 9? 77. Second mistake. No? I'm allowed 12 mistakes in one class. No? I'm joking. It's only 6. Okay. Alright, so what's your LCM now? 24 again. So I multiply this by 6. 15 times 6 is 90. Oh, another mistake. Minus 77, which is 13 over 24. You all agree with that? Anybody else got this wrong? You all got it right. You got it wrong, yes? Talk to me. Where did you go wrong, my girl? Yes? You said. Okay, you're saying or did you write? Oh, you wrote, okay? Why times it by 2? Do you know we went wrongly? Okay. I'm going to have a look at it again. When I'm done with this, the electric is going off. The electricity. So I just need to finish up, otherwise we're not going to finish this worksheet, okay? So I'm going to finish it up and then we'll discuss what problems you have, but then the electricity is off, okay? So what's my LCM here? 6. I times by 2. We times that by 3. So 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3 times 5 over 1. What's 3 plus 2? 5. So it's 5 over 6 times 5 over 1. Can that 5's cancel? Who says yes? What's wrong with you? You must say many things. No? Many things are wrong with you. Right? 5 times 5 is 25 over 6. Alright, you guys understand? Yes. Otherwise, you're going to convert it to improper fractions, which is 4 and 1 over 6. Okay, I'm not going to give you extra mark for that. So if you leave your answer in improper form, that's better for me. Okay. Right, let's go with number 7. Just addition and subtraction. So what needs to be done first? Alright, no, but you can find a straight LCM. Let's see how this goes. You got 2, 3 and 7. What's my LCM? 14. 3 can't go into 14. 21. 2 can't go into 21. 28. 3 can't go into 28. 42. How's that? Okay. So 2 times what is 42? 21. 3 times what is 42? 3 is going to give you 1, carry 2. No, 1 is 40. Is that correct?
Yes.
So it times 40. You times this by 6. So 21 times 1 is 21. Minus 14 plus 6. 21 minus 14 is 7. 13. What is 13? 13. 7 plus 7 plus 6 is 30. Nice. Who got that right? Nice. Not everybody is going to get 100%. No? But if you had done it in parts, you would have gotten the same answer as well. Not so? Nice. Right. What do I do first? Improper fraction. So multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, add. That's 73 over 10. Minus 8, 9 over 4. Minus 23 over 5. What's my LCM here? 20. So you multiply this by 2. Times it by 2. 73 times 2 is 146. Correct? Minus times by 5. 9 times 5? 45. Minus times by 4. That is 80 is 92. Not so? So now 146 minus 145 is 101. Minus 92. 9. Are you sure?
Yes.
Who got it right? That you guys copied well, no? You copy each other, now you get all the wrong answer together. Let's see if I can delete this page. Yes. Right, number 11, what do you do first? Brackets, right? 7 minus 4 times 2?
6.
Yes. Let's carry on with our lives. 13. Brackets, what's your LCM inside the bracket? 12. So it's going to be, you multiply that by 2. Gives me 10. You times this by 1. 7 times 3 over 1. What's 10 minus 7? 3. 3 over 12 times 3 over 1. 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 12, 4 times. Can that cancel? No. 1 times 3 is 3 over 4. Any issues here? No. Alright, let's carry on. Number 15. What needs to be done first? The bracket. What's the LCM inside the bracket? 6. You see I can drop. When can I drop the bracket? There's one number in the brackets. Okay. In one term. So 3 times what is 6? 2. 6 times what is 6? 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. So that is 12 over 1 multiplied by 2 minus 1. 1 over 6. 6 goes into 6 once. 6 goes into 12. 1 times 2 is 2 over, which is 2. Any issues there? No. Carry on. Right, so what needs to be done first? Multiplication. Let's sort that out first. So We know that 24 can be written as 24 over 1. So 4 goes into 4 once, 4 goes into 24, 6 times. 1 times 6 is 6 over 1 minus, that goes 1 and 4. 4 over 1. That's the same as saying 6 minus 4, which is 2. Okay, any issues there? No. Let's carry on. Number 19. What needs to be done first? Improper fractions. So multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, add. So it's going to give you 48 plus 1 is 49. Is that correct? Yes. Minus, inside the bracket, 21 over 5 plus 29 over 10. What's the LCM inside the bracket? 10. So we multiply 5 by 2. Gives me 42 times 1. 29. What's 29 plus 42? 71. Is that correct? What's your LCM? 30. Not so? So 6 times what is 30? 5. 49 times 5? 245. Minus. Times by 3. 213. So 245 minus, so 45 minus 13 is something 2. 32 over 30. 2 goes into 32, 16 and 15. So 16 over 15. You all agree with that? Yes. Any confusion? Yes. No. For those people who got 60, these sums will be much bigger here. Not so? Then you would have ended off with 64 over 16. And then you simplify it into 16 over 15. Okay. Next, number 21. What needs to be done first here? The brackets. So you change them up to improper first. So it's going to be 7 over 6 minus, what's my LCM inside my bracket? 6. You times by 2. You times by 3. So it's 2 plus 3, which is 5. 5 over 6. So 7 over 6 minus 5 over 6. 2 over 6, which is a third, 1 over 3. Any confusion here? No, we got like 2 minutes left, no? Before the 3 minutes. Maybe 5. Right. Just forget to put it off. Right, so what do we do first? Improper. There's going to be 13 over 3 minus, what's the LCM here? 6. So you times by 1 times by 3. So it's 5 plus 3. What's 5 plus 3? 8 over 6. What's my LCM here? 6. I could have simplified the first, then your LCM would have been 3. Okay, but okay, I pulled the for LCM first, so let's go with that. So it's going to give you 6. We times by 2, which is 26. Minus 8. What's 26 minus 8? 18 over 6. And 18 divided by 6 is? 3. Okay, any confusion here? No. Alright, let's carry on. 25. The sums are getting easier, no? Yes. Right.
No, sir.
What needs to be done first? You change tumble and times. We're only going to tumble in times the fraction that follows the division sign. So 6 over 7 multiplied by 5 over 3 multiplied by 7 over 10. You all agree with that? What number goes into 6 and into 10 without remainder? 2. 2 goes 3 times. 2 goes 5. 7 goes 1. 7 goes 1. That 5 cancel that 5. The 3 cancel the 3. What are we left with? 1 over 1, which is 1. Okay? You all agree with that? Any confusion here? Sounds like somebody got it wrong. Who got it wrong? Yes, Michael? No problem. But you also got 1. Fine. We'll give her a round of applause. Yes, Michael? 49 over 7. 49 over 7 is 7, not 1. 49 over 49 is 1. Okay, so somewhere you are missing a factor. Yes, Michael?
I got 70 over 70 and then
They give you 1. Yes, well done. Give her another round. But what did we say? We said you always got to simplify before you multiply. So there's something wrong with her. Okay. We're only joking, Khafsa. What's your name, Khafsa? Huh? What's your name? I was close. Alright. People multiply, we add, multiply. Before I change that to multiplication, it must be an improper fraction. Can't be a mixed number. So it's going to be 6, 11, yes, times 6 over 5 divided by 7 over 5. Now change this to multiplication, as I almost did, no? So it's going to be 11 over 6 times 6 over 5 times 5 over 7. 5 into 5 once, 5 going to 5 once. 6 going to 6 once, 6 going to 6 once. So you got 11 over 7. Any confusion there? Who got that right? Nice. Is that the last sum? No. It's probably behind this. Nope. Alright, can somebody give me 29? Okay, just hang on. You two, listen. You two fast. Right, 29. Bracket, yes? Khafsa, read.
Me?
Yes.
Sir, I simplified.
No, first read the sum.
No, sir, I simplified.
Okay. You see why I say something wrong with Khafsa? Read quickly, come. 1 and a quarter, yes? Like it? Okay, so that's going to give us 2 minus 5 over 4 times 2. So that's going to give you over 1. LCM is 4. Gives me 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. Not so?
Yes.
4 going to 4 once, 4 going to 12. 3 times 3 is 9. Right, you guys understand? Alright, so that basically brings us to the end of this video. For a nick of time, ne? Stop this.